Hi, my name is Ann Smith, Vice President of Sales at EvolvHealth. I'd like to welcome you to the myEvolve Launch Plan training session. Before we begin, I'd like to make it clear that the information in this training presentation is for illustrative purposes only. The numbers are not a guarantee of actual earnings, and results will vary. Building a successful business with Evolve is a combination of consistent effort and activity. This plan is meant to give you a clear, duplicatable path to follow during your first 90 days of building your Evolve business. This plan can also be used at any time within your Evolve business when you want to increase the activity to achieve a higher rank or income goal. Now let's get started. So why do we talk about a 90-day launch? 90 days is within the foreseeable future. It is not so far away that it seems unreachable. Plus, we know that based on industry statistics, the top paid leaders all typically did a focused effort in the first 90 days of launching their business. It is no different when launching a traditional business. You want to celebrate your opening for business with a grand opening approach. This activity helps create momentum and success. Would you open a restaurant or retail store and keep it quiet for the first 90 days? Of course not. You have overhead, staff, and bills to pay. With Evolve, you may not have that type of overhead, but the impact of launching with a clear 90-day plan could have a tremendous impact on the success of your business. The key to creating your launch plan begins with you and being clear on what you are looking for. The Evolve Roadmap, found in the E-Center, helps walk you through your goals. Let's go back to these goals. What kind of financial success do you want to achieve with your Evolve business? Where do you want to be in 90 days? Where do you want your monthly income to be 12 months from now? As our Evolve CEO, Brent Hicks, often talks about, it is difficult to get where you want in life if you do not know where you currently are and where you want to go. Now that you've stated your goals, it's important to ask yourself, how much time are you willing to invest into your business, and how much money are you willing to invest monthly to support your business? In traditional business, you would have to spend tens of thousands, if not hundreds, to launch a business that you hope becomes profitable in 3 to 5 years. With Evolve, a very modest investment and consistent effort can create a profitable business in a short period of time. We have created 2 very simple and easy to follow plans. We understand that the vast majority of people building an Evolve business will be doing this on a part-time basis. Therefore, it is important to make sure that this could fit into anyone's life. With the Evolve launch plan, you can choose between 2 launch plans, the Executive Launch Plan or the Director Launch Plan. Select the one that is best for you based on your goals and the time and money you have to dedicate to building your Evolve business. Let's take a closer look at both plans. First, the Executive Plan. This plan is developed for members who are planning on investing 3 to 6 hours per week in their Evolve business. The key is to do this consistently every week, 3 to 6 hours. The most important activity is to give, share, and evolve by talking to 3 people each week for 12 consecutive weeks. I will explain in detail the give, share, evolve concept in a moment, but for now, know that this plan is based on talking to 3 people each week. To follow this plan, we suggest you purchase 4 cases of Evolve monthly, also called our Family Pack. 2 cases will be used for marketing to give to other people. Our product is our greatest marketing tool. The other 2 cases can be used for your personal consumption. Remember, it is very important to be a product of your product, first for your well-being and vitality, but also as a business leader, as it is important to show that you lead by example. The executive plan is designed to help launch you through the regional executive position within the first 90 days of launching your business. This is important because at the regional level, you receive all levels of the Fast Start bonus. You also unlock the first level of DNA coded bonus, and you receive a one-time rank advancement bonus of $200. Now for the Director Plan. The only real difference here is the number of people you talk to each week. Instead of 3, the Director Plan is based on talking to 9 people per week, meaning to give, share, and evolve to 9 people weekly. With the Director Plan, we recommend 10 to 12 hours per week of focused effort, and it is suggested that you invest into the Business Builder Pack monthly for the first 3 months. Remember, with the Business Builder Pack, you will receive 8 cases of Evolve plus 1 case free. The total of 9 cases can be used for your marketing efforts and for your personal consumption. This plan has a more serious effort linked to the weekly activities, and in return a more serious goal in moving up the compensation plan. By following this plan, you will be well positioned to achieve the first leadership level, called the Executive Director. This rank is important as it unlocks another level of the DNA coded bonus, plus you now qualify for check match bonuses and a $500 one-time rank advancement bonus. It is important to select the plan that is right for you. In both plans, we talk about give, share, evolve. Let's take a minute to understand this. Give is linked to giving a quad pack of 4 bottles of Evolve to someone who you are interested in talking to about Evolve. Share is about sharing the Evolve story and information tools such as a DVD, CD, or brochure. You will want to share your personal Evolve website and your story of why you are with Evolve and what the product has done for you or your loved ones. The next step is Evolve. It is the most important part, which is inviting that person to join you in your Evolve business or to become a customer. The plan is also based on the Archeactive formula founder, the late Gene Kaiser. Gene believed that this was a gift to the world, and by offering a quad pack to someone, we are giving back in a way that is in alignment with Gene Kaiser's wishes and with EvolvHealth. This way, you and your team members will build your business that connects to our company culture. So, will everyone you talk to be interested in joining you or evolving? Probably not everyone, but there is a golden rule in the industry called the 1/3 rule, which means when dealing with your inner circle of contacts, people you know or those who you know through other friends, you will often see a 1/3 rule of results when it comes to sharing your business. Therefore, when sharing the Give, Share, Evolve process, we can suggest that of the 3 people you take through this process, 1 will say no thanks, 1 may become a retail customer or preferred customer, and 1 may become a member. Of each person who joins you in business, understand that the 1/3 rule often applies here too. 1 will do very little but buy product at wholesale, 1 will build a business as a hobby, and 1 will be a serious business builder. This completes part 1 of our launch plan. Now go back to the blog to view part 2.